Hello friends, welcome to pennows.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Airmail Wality 77 maroon color body and silver color cap fountain pen. And here, this video is specifically taken to give you the clear insights on this pen because just with photos you cannot fully understand about this. So here, this is a brown color, maroon color body with silver color cap which has a silver color clip and the stamping of the brand's name in this body of this pen, and there is a breather hole in this cap which prevents the ink from clogging and maintains a balanced atmospheric pressure so that the ink does not leak or drip ink through the nibs. And let me open this. This is a semi-hooded nib which has number 0 nib in this. It is a medium tip gold plated one, and you can swap the nibs as you like since we have number 0 nibs in many brands. And especially in can write, we are having in fine, medium, and again with gold and silver plated nibs. For that, you can go to our site, click pen spares, then go to nibs, and there you can use a filter and make a query on what you require. And this is a piston type ink filling system. To fill the ink, you have to do this in the anti-clockwise direction, means you have to screw this in the anti-clockwise direction. And then you can dip in the ink and turn this back to the clockwise direction. So the good amount of ink will be filled up this portion, and you must not try to open here this portion, and this, if you did, this will collapse the whole mechanism in this piston type one. And on pen maintenance, please wash the pens regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye based ink will precipitate on the longer usage, so it will block the ink's passage in the feeder, so you will get a scratchy writing and slowly the ink will dry quickly, and then you may have to shake the pens for the ink flow to come out. The reason is the blockage in the feeders grow. So to clean the deposits and dirts, please remove the feeder and the nib unit separately by holding this together and pull it out. After removing, you can flush the feeder with the help of any brush or clean it well with soap water. If you are soaking in soap water, then allow it for an hour and brush and clean. And in some ink bottles itself, you can notice on every fill it is recommended to clean the pen with water, so it is clear. Unless otherwise we have good cleaning and maintenance, the flow will be affected. And also, few nibs need to be fine-tuned because during the manual assembly of nibs, the tines may stick together. So gently push the tines up and down, so it will create some space in between the tines, so you get a smooth writing and a very good ink flow in turn. And whenever we dispatch the pens to a customer, we do this fine-tuning and we will check before dispatch. And also make sure both the tines are parallel, if not you will get a scratchy writing. And let me give the measurement of this pen. The holding area's diameter is 9.3 mm and the body is 11.3 mm, and the length of this pen without cap is 124.4 mm, and with cap it is 138.4 mm. With this measurement you can get some idea about the pouches for this pen. If you maintain this using a pouches and all, the same aesthetic and shininess will last forever. For pouches you can refer our site. We are having single pen, double pen, 4 pen pouches and all, and with different colors, with different size, with different slot sizes, and yeah. And also we can do engraving on the pouches too. While you are ordering, you can make the query in that. And the entire weight of this pen is 16 grams. And let me give the writing sample of this pen with our Pen House violet color ink. A very smooth writing. Yeah, super writing it is. And yeah, if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to a mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.